After finding yc, we have to find yp, and the general formula for yp is 1 upon fd into x. What is our fd? I have told you in type 1 form we have to write fd in factorized form. So what is factorized form? Factorized form is nothing but this part. There is d into d plus 4 into d minus 4. So fd is d into d minus 4 into d plus 4. What is x? From this equation, our x is this part. Okay, so our x is e raised to, this is multiplication sign, don't confuse with x and multiplication sign. So e raised to 4x upon 2 plus e raised to minus 4x upon 2 plus 1. So this is our x. Now after this we multiply this part with each term. Okay, so we will get our equation e raised to 4x upon this 2 will remain as it is, this part d into d minus 4 and d plus 4. Then we have another part e raised to minus 4x, this 2 will remain as it is, then this part, so d into d minus 4 into d plus 4. After this we have 1 and this part which is d into d minus 4 and d plus 4. So whenever we have 1 and we do not have e raised to something, so we can represent this one as e raised to 0x. So e raised to 0x is nothing but 1. Okay, so after this we substitute here d equal to a. Here a is 4, so d equal to 4 here we are going to substitute. Here we are going to substitute d equal to minus 4 because the power of e is minus 4. And for this term we are going to substitute d equal to 0 because here we have e raised to 0. As you can see, now is the twist. When we substitute d equal to 4 in this part and d equal to 4 for this d, it will not create any problem. Okay, so we are going to write that. So e raised to 4x upon, here instead of this d I am writing 4, and instead of this d we will get 4 plus 4 which is 8. And when I substitute this 4 here, it will be 4 minus 4 which will be equal to 0, and this part will become 1 upon 0 which will be equal to infinity. This d minus 4 is creating a problem. For this we know that whenever we have 1 upon d minus a, in our case a is 4 the whole raised to r, then this part is given by x raised to r upon r factorial, where r is nothing but the power of d minus a. So in d minus 4 the power is 1, so x raised to 1 upon 1 factorial. Okay, whenever we are going to substitute d equal to 4 in this part will not create any problem, and this part also will not create any problem. The problem is created by d minus 4 because when we substitute d equal to 4 it will become 0. So for only this part we are going to follow this equation, and for these two parts we are going to substitute d equal to 4. Okay, now see the next part. Here when I substitute d equal to minus 4 here and d equal to minus 4 here, so this will be 2 into minus 4, and this minus 4 and minus 4 will become minus 8. Okay, so this part is not creating any problem. When I substitute d equal to minus 4 here and we have plus 4 here, so this part will be equal to 0. This part is creating problem. For this also we are going to follow the same part. So first we are going to write this term first, which is not creating any problem. So when we write d equal to minus 4, here we have d, so minus 4. Then we have minus 4 and minus 4. And this part here we cannot substitute d equal to 4. So therefore we are going to follow this formula, that is x raised to r upon r factorial, where r is power of this. So the power of this is 1. So it will be x raised to 1 upon 1 factorial.